Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and today we are talking about some of the best knife sets on all of Amazon. This is a gorgeous one from J.A Henckels. You guys, it is a 19-piece set. It's going to come with everything from your chef's knife all the way down to your steak knives and come in a beautiful block. It's a totally gorgeous design. It's 3 rivets on the handle. It's gonna have the J.A Henckels logo on there as well. These are just a really classic, elevated, gorgeous look, and they are going to look just very, very great on your kitchen counter. Last a lifetime. These are made of a special formula Zwilling steel, just the highest quality that you can possibly get. It's got a 15-degree angle on all of the knife edges, except for one of them is 10 degrees, so just even crazier, just really sharp, really precise blades that are going to stay sharp and also be easy to sharpen whenever you do need to take care of your knives. These are really cool because they are one entire solid piece of stamped blade. The advantages to this is that it's going to keep your knife as lightweight as possible without sacrificing any strength, without sacrificing any of that hardness. In fact, it's going to be a 57 on the Rockwell Hardness scale. So super, super durable, tough, high quality knives. You guys are really going to just love this knife set, get a ton of use out of it, and it's going to last you a lifetime. Go ahead, you guys, put this one in your cart or put this on your registry. You're gonna be super happy that you did.